Greetings everyone, and welcome to the MTC from Woodstock to Moncton. After a successful course completion, the Mobile Training Centre is ready to be moved for its next assignment. But first, I need to get to Woodstock campus. Greetings everyone, welcome. Today we are transporting the Mobile Training Centre and the supply trailer from Woodstock down to Moncton. You may have already seen some footage of driving up in the truck this morning. Now I'm going to get things packed up, folded up, and ready for transport. So this is the Mobile Training Centre all packed up and ready to go. I have this remote control here to use. This does my floor, these do my slides, and these four do my feet. So I'll be using this to open and close this rig. Hydraulics are super cold this morning. Alright, I'm going to do some sweep up action. Then I'm going to bring the sides in. So this side needs to go first, and then this side comes in afterwards, just because of the size of them. This one is bigger than this one, so this one goes inside of this one. Now that things are swept up a little bit, I'm going to fold this thing in. Once the MTC is closed and ready, I connect to the supply trailer. As on this trip, I'll get the Atlantic Pacific driver to haul the heavier MTC. taken off with the main unit of the Mobile Training Centre. I have the supply trailer, and I booked off on my logbook, so I have to wait another 5 minutes before I head out. So enjoy the trip. Before leaving Woodstock, myself and the other driver agreed to meet at the Petro Pass in Moncton before going into Moncton campus. Once at Moncton campus, we had to wiggle our way into our parking spots. As soon as I come around the thing there, I said I shouldn't have done that.
We'll back up, get as far to the left as we can, come on the left minute, cut over. So
if I have to
sure if you could have made it to the parking lot or not.
I should have made it right here. I should have turned before the barriers. So the trailers are parked. They're not very pretty. There was cars in the parking lot. It wasn't easy to get them in, but they're here. And next is to set them up, but it's the holiday season, so we'll do that in a week or two. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you will join me to see what's next for the NBCC Mobile Training Center. Thanks for watching.